Hi there! Today we're doing a special unboxing. We were sent a grooming kit for Mojo and her dog friends to test out. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so here it is. This is the Pawsmart pet grooming vacuum kit. Just so you know, this video is not sponsored, but the product was sent to us for free to review and test out. Alright, so it looks like it comes with several attachments, different sizes, and then this is the actual little vacuum. And then there's a couple more things in the bag, but let me take this out of the bag so you can see it better. Okay. Pretty portable, it has a little handle. And then on top of that, it also comes with the little attachment for the hose because it's a vacuum kit. And then it has a couple of other brushes that you can attach to this. It looks like there is also a little carrying case for it, just a plain black one, but then you can put all the accessories in here. So the kit comes with a little vacuum brush that has several different attachments that you can switch out on this, as well as clippers. And the cool thing about it is that it all just attaches to the tube that goes directly into the vacuum. So while you're actually either brushing the dog or clipping the hair of the dog or cat, in theory, it will go into the vacuum. Okay, so I'm really curious to see how well it works, how easy it is to use and set up, and how well it works with a long hair dog and a short hair dog. My dog Mojo has short hair, but she still sheds a lot, and her friend Rex is staying with us this weekend and he has long hair. So I think this will be a really good opportunity to do the comparison of how well this item works and give you our full opinion and review on what we think about it. So let's go ahead and try it out. My first impression is that your dog may take some time to get used to the machine, between the noise and just the machine itself. However, this pet grooming kit does work great. I really do like it. I like its versatility. It has the attachments, the brushes, the clippers. So I think it has everything that you may need to really do a good grooming session with your dog. I also really like that it's very compact and very light. So it's easy to transport or move it around your house. I do think for the price, $129.99 on Amazon, and I think they have a 5% coupon on right now. Check out the link below. It's a good investment, especially for somebody that has a dog with long hair. So for us, I think we're definitely going to keep trying and getting Mojo used to it. Even though she has short hair, like I mentioned before, she sheds. So we already do brush her. So I think this is gonna be a really cool thing to have and just kind of prevent us from having hair all over the house. But like I said, I really like it. We're gonna be making some videos in the near future with updates, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about how we're liking the machine and how we're working with Mojo to really introduce her to the machine and get her comfortable. But overall, I really like it. I'm glad, you know, they sent it to us for review, and we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye.